615 EVL Scar with a 4 auto box. Okay. Running on a 12K.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
What's up, man? You get one chance. I do a lot of YouTube videos. Jacob Viral on YouTube. Could you tell me what you got real quick? Everything.
615 EVL Scar with a 4 auto box.
Okay.
Running on a 12K.
12K. Okay. What are you wired to on that 12K?
I'm down right to right about 1 ohm. A little under 1 ohm.
Okay. And you built this?
No, my buddy, Leadhead.
Okay.
Production. Leadhead Production.
Leadhead Production.
All that.
Okay. Nice.
Going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral. Quick little commentary before we get to the bass demo. So just want to say thank y'all for watching. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Some of these shows you go to, you don't realize are extremely loud outside. So sorry if there's a lot of inconvenience on that. It's blaring music everywhere. It's hard to get recordings sometimes. But be sure to give him a thumbs up for an awesome job showing his vehicle and to showcase it for us to be able to enjoy today. I hope you're enjoying the video. So a couple little things. First thing is this is a cargo ratchet strap bracing. I think they use in the back of trucks. People use them, but a lot of people in systems use them, and I've had people message me, at least 10 people in a lot of comments. So I'll be sure to put a link in the description for where to get those. Also, he has a 615 variant system. I like how it's all staged in the back here, and it's all inverted as you can see. So I think he did that to have better cooling, and you can see the motors. It looks cool. And having that 4th order variant bandpass style with the center port, he utilized those 2x4s and 2x6s to lay out to center his port the way he did. Did a good job there. And hopefully you like the power stamp there. I'll be sure to put all the details in the description for what all he's running because he didn't really give me a rundown, but it's all good. So let's go ahead and get to the demo.
You have a good day. Thank you very much.
All right.
Nice to meet you. All right.
Pretty little black skin girl.
Some of them Just you all of them. All of them. My tune, but that's how me feel. Big up and really what's up.
Protect your life. Protect your life.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna give you a little taste.
All right.
Pretty little black skin girl. Only thing. Pretty little light skin girl.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.